guys, welcome to Silverstone for the second day actually, but I never recorded yesterday. Kind of been thrown into it straight away. I'm about to jump into a Lusso, heading out for a little bit of a drive with a common face actually, because he took me around a little bit a few times and he was not pleased to see me. So I don't know what that says about my driving. Let's say hello to the camera.
You called me a common face.
a common face. So I'm in the Lusso T. Did I drive the Lusso last time or was it?
V12
I don't know.
last time.
V12, fine. So in the Lusso T now. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to crash because I nearly did in the Portofino on the way here. So that's really fun, but yeah, I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get on video. Okay, so GT4 Lusso T drive is done. And it was interesting. I've driven the V12 before and that was pretty fun as well. I think I prefer the V12 to it, but there wasn't much. I was just doing a bit of a road test. Now just a little bit of a plan for the day of what's happening. I'm actually going to be going out on track on the GP circuit in a 488. Not mine obviously, which is kind of cool, but hopefully I don't crash it because a couple of cars have crashed already and I think somebody has crashed a 355 or something on the way into Silverstone, not anything else. But behind me is a beautiful selection of cars which we can walk through, but this isn't even the proper car section because that's over there, so I'll show you. We've got everything here. Of course they're all Ferraris, and of course I've turned up in a Lamborghini to Ferrari event. But yeah, tons of 488s, Speciali, Lussos, everything there, and then of course more and more here. One thing I did want to show you is this color, because for my second Ferrari, which nobody really knows, I'm thinking that this color could be a really, really good option. So as you can see, I think it's like Rosso Fuoco or something. Can you really tell the difference between the two? Can you see that's like the Rosso Corsa, and then that's the Rosso Fuoco, and the interior on this one is really nice. Carbon, of course, on this. No? Yes, carbon there, and everything around as well. So, there are a few challenge cars there as well. Just so people know, by the way, today is the challenge series. So this is a lot of actually customers who you can pay to be part of it. You get one of these challenge cars and then you can go around the track. So maybe, fingers crossed, something I can do in the future and also drive. That will be good fun. But I have about 2 hours before I go on track. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and go around and show you as much as possible all the cars that are out there. Because there's FTL TDS. I think there was a LaFerrari here, but I don't know if I missed that. And a ton of other cars as well. But as you can see, the view here, I won't go out because it's super windy, is there is Silverstone, there's the paddock, these are all the cars. I'll try and walk in the garage as well as I can in a bit, and I'll be done, and that's J-Pal over there. He's already made me stop at McDonald's, so that's not my fault. Okay, I'll stop talking, let's go and see some more cars. Okay, outside here now, and all of the cars are here. This is what you call Ferrari heaven. Okay, I'm not even going to attempt to try and go through everything that's here. It's pretty ridiculous. I'll show you some of the new stuff or some of the cool stuff that's here. It's weird, but Specialis aren't even that special here because there's so many of them. Of course, a ton of 488s like there are. Here's a 458 Spider. Yeah, Spider. But have a look at this. So we have got an 812 over here. That is Dick Lovett's demo car, I think it is. So many here, another 812 over here as well. Check that out. There's more 812s, another one over there as well. 488 over here, which is trying to look a bit like a Speciale. But yeah, so many cars. Now, it's one of these cars that's here that I'm going out in, and one of the 488s. I have no idea which one. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. It's just so much Ferrari. I'm gonna try and walk through the garage so we can see what else is going on in there. Yeah, what else can I say? What else can I say? There's so many 812s here. These are all obviously demo cars, so there's one there as well. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like 7 over here. This is interesting because most of them are either coming in blue or red, but this is like a grigio kind of color, and some sort of a gray, which is quite nice on the inside because it's got red, nice seats in there as well. Really, really nice. Okay, too many Ferraris, I don't know what to do. Never seen so many Ferraris in one place, but yeah, Speciale over here as well, which looks really nice. Somebody seems to be getting out of that one. Really nice Speciale in this kind of greyish colour over here. I think that is about it. So I'll be back here in about an hour. I'm going to go inside and warm up because it is freezing. And I'm going to have some fun later on track. I think I get about 15 minutes or 20 minutes on track. GoPro is going to go up. I'm going to amateur film everything. But yeah, J-Pal, you having a good time?
Yes, it's very cold.
See how it is, honestly, it's freezing. It is so cold here.
But look, bro.
It's really weird here because there's so many Ferraris that stuff like this is actually cool. I drove in today, obviously in the Performante, and everyone was saying to me, they're like, it's the best car I've seen all day because everyone's sick of seeing Ferraris. Oh, I love this. The spec on that looks so good. Really want one of those, the V12 though, not the Lusso T. Anish, shut up. But out here is where the actual action is taking place. Oh, I need to go to the gym. And all the cars, I'm sure you can hear, you can see one below here, check that out. That that's actually, yeah, so this is one of the challenge cars and they're all coming down as you can see here. So, okay, I'll get out of the way. Here's another one as well. Pretty loud. That is my favorite one. Bit of chrome. So, it is, all the cars are going out on track now. I think this is like part 2 of the race or something. I haven't actually been following it very well, so apologies for that. I'm not very informative. Yeah, all these cars are going to go out now. There's been a few crashes as well, so I'm looking a little bit hesitantly at the track. It's a little bit damp because it was raining earlier before I take the 488 out. But I'm surprised how loud these cars are. I'm going to try and get it on camera when they come around again. But they're really loud. Yeah, same road engine cars as 488s, but obviously massively tuned, stripped out completely, like super lightweight. These cars are really cool, like all carbon, everything as well, so lightweight. Yeah, so they're gonna go out. I'm gonna try and get them as they go past, but counting it down, just 45 minutes now for that go on track. Okay, apologies because I look like an idiot. About to head out on track now with a helmet on. 488 is about to come round and then go in. I think I've got about 5 or 6 laps or something. So what I'm gonna try and do is stick the GoPro on the window, hopefully get a driving shot view of it. As you guys know, not my first time at Silverstone. Last time was 720S. So I'll pick the video up there and you'll see that. Yeah, this should be fun.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
How was it, Nish?
Okay, apologies for the wind if you can't hear me, but I'm about to sign off with the Portofino. This is actually the first time I'm properly seeing the car. And as you guys know from the previous video, and if you don't, go and watch that, I have ordered one of these. It's one of my 2 Ferraris. And it looks really good. This is like the Portofino red, which is quite expensive, I think, the paint. But there's the interior with the big screen as well and the passenger display. No carbon on this one. Apologies about the noise from behind, but it does look really good. I do like it a lot. But there are the wheels that are not. So a lot of people said don't do it in black, but look what the wheels look like when they're not in black. Actually, you know what? Black is a good interior. This has to have the stitching on there for the horse on the headrest, but otherwise, I'm liking the look of this car. I think the front is so nice. Look at that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to sign off now. I don't know about the angles that I got when I was driving the 488, so I hope it was good, but apologies if it wasn't. It was my first time using a GoPro on track and everything, so it will improve because there is some more track stuff coming with the Performante. So make sure you subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.